up, YouTube? More Trends here. Today we will be cleaning, or not cleaning it, but we're going to be trying to fix this engine. Yeah. Because it has a problem with the engine and some fuel tanks. So, as you can see, there's these things right here. And they can pop out if I really wanted them to. And I don't want them to. Except they keep making the motor rub up against them. And that gets annoying. This stupid. Get off the chassis. Down the other side. I don't know, it's off. There's only 2 tabs on this one. Yeah. Are you kidding me? The entire motor just fell out of its thing. Well, I mean, that solves part of our problem as of now. Okay. Now I'm going to attempt to put the motor back in its place, making sure everything's the right way, which it is. That was weird. Okay, that's good there. Jeez. Trying to get the part of the worm gear up. I guess that part of the problem is because it fell over. And I didn't drop it, it just fell over. Oh, great. Luckily these things are like snap on, snap off, so. Do 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 do. It up. There we go. Sure, both turned accordingly. So slide. There we go. It is now slided in. Okay, so right now I'm trying to make sure it turns right. The motor's in right. I know there's no sound. I'm going to put these up right here. And I want these to stay up like this. But I don't. Look, listen. I don't want the motor pressing on that, so press it down just a bit. Back up. It just taps the other side. I think we got it, so now we're going to put the shell back on. And kind of fix this coupler here. And put the shell on. Hopefully it's not a reversed image, because that would be stupid. Slide on. On this side. Nope. Jeez. I'll go into the test track. We shall plug the test track in. We'll test it. Okay, I'm genuinely concerned now. Oh, I didn't put the thing in. Back at the test track. Okay, it's definitely much quieter than it was not that long ago. It runs smoothly. So, well, that does it for this video. I mean, we fixed it. Yay. And it's an athearn, so yeah, it's really easy to work on. It's U25B, yeah, and it turned out really well. So I'll make other cosmetic editing and stuff like that, so Yeah, see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe to us as YouTubers tell you. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye now.